Today is my first day of owning the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and here it is already on my drone. As you guys know, I'm mostly interested in how this camera flies, what is the quality when it's on top of my FPV drone, and today that's exactly what I'll be testing. I'm here on one of my favorite locations for testing. It's pretty much a large empty field with a couple of trees on it, so I will be testing the brand new Hero 9 Black right here on this field. And I also decided to make it a bit more interesting and to include two more cameras into this little test and make a little comparison. So I will be putting out the GoPro Hero 6 Black, which is one of my go-to cameras for filming FPV because of real steady. I will be using that, and I also will be using the Insta360 1R. And to make it as fair as possible, I will be using ND filters on all of these three cameras. I had a couple of complaints about how the lighting looks like on the 1R without an ND filter. So today I will be fixing that by using this ND filter from Freewell. I will try to make it as fair and as realistic as possible. The conditions here are changing quite a bit, but I will try to use the same ND filters and the same mounts. And speaking about mounts, I will be using this FPV drone right here. This is the iFlight Nazgul 5. And the interesting thing about this drone is that not only flies great for freestyle, it's perfect, but it also comes with this mount, which is perfect for these little ears, for the ones that the Hero 9 Black has. I also have the same ears on this camera mount for the 1R, and I also have a special camera mount for the Hero 6 Black, which also uses those same ears. I will try to make it as fair as possible and pick a direction and movements that I will try to replicate for each camera. And yeah, I'm just really interested to try 5K 30 with hyper smooth on the Hero 9 Black. I'll also switch to 4K 30 4x3 so I can use real steady with the Hero 9 Black, and I would love to see how that looks on the screen. Let me know in the comment section below which camera you think is going to perform the best. And that's pretty much it. No more talking. Let's just fly these cameras and see which one is the best. Okay, so I just finished flying, and of course I still haven't examined the footage. You've already seen it, so let me know in the comment section below which camera in your opinion performed the best. Do you like real steady, or you prefer hyper smooth or flow state? Let me know, what do you prefer? And with that being said, I just want to let you know that it was quite windy. That's also the reason why I'm inside the car. It is quite windy, so I can't really go with the camera outside, otherwise you just listen to the wind. But yeah, so that might have affected the results. Like I said, I still haven't seen the results, so I don't really know who wins and who loses in this little test. But I want to hear back from you guys, so let me know, what do you think? And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about the Hero 9 Black and all the other tests that I will be doing with this camera. I am excited. I would like to see it in different scenarios and see how well it's going to compare against the Hero 6 Black, which is my go-to FPV camera. So with that being said, thank you once again for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Bye bye.